Cannon fodder. Good idea. You sweet.
Let's take the purple one. I like the way she's looking at me.
Absolutely not. Oh, at the end of the sword. Agreed.
So mean to the field of battle.
This one would make a great hero, sir.
Not bad. But I'd like to speak to the rest. For Star, I'm looking for someone who can demonstrate commitment. To our team, Starfires. Will you marry me? Any of you?
No.
No.